wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello there, it is I, Bethany. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I have a cold and can't speak properly, so deal with a robot. Yes, I know I am rude, but anyways chilly. So today guys, I will be showing you how to make a GFX on Roblox without Blender or Roblox Studio, easy way and for free. This sounds sketchy and dumb, but this video is only a few minutes anyway, so it won't take much of your time. All you have to do is try. Please, anyways, look on your screen. This is the game I'm playing for the GFXs, and it is in Roblox. So I'm in a clothing area. Rewind to see exactly where I went to get here. Okay, fine, you lazy frog faces, I'll do it. Gee whiz. Okay, so this is the spawn area. I hope you are following. After this, I kind of just turned around and went to another part of the building. I have actually been here before, because this is the clothing area. Now pick the clothes you want. If you don't like them, don't worry, there is more clothing areas. Anyways peoples, let's go. So here we are back at the spawn area. Follow me. This is the black screen, green screen and white screen. If you look on your tablet, you have a lot of poses options. Put your graphics to the top. This way, your photo will be a lot more clear. So for YouTube icons, make sure you always go to green screens and do go to photo shoot games. Go to GFX ones. They have the best poses, but anyways, as you can see on the screen, there is a toggle button. Toggle your thumb mouse around to get the perfect zoom in. Now go to inventory. Drag move camera into your tablets on the bottom middle of your screen. At the end of the video, thank me later, frog face. Just joking. I think that you are the prettiest one here. After me, of course. Again, just joking. I'm ugly. Now shut up. Okay, well, click move camera, then click your character on the screen. Now on click move camera. Now click a pose and toggle the zoom in thingy. Good. Select your pose. Click GFX menu and adjust saturation, brightness and color. Now click photo mode and take a screenshot. But remember, if you don't like the poses on the tablet menu, you can always go to inventory since there are so many nice ones there. Once you have got your pose, screenshot it and then open PicsArt. Now we are on PicsArt. Okay, click Tools, click Crop, click Square. We need to crop it to square so it can fit YouTube icon. Never ever forget. Click Stickers, search up white box and click 1. Zoom in to fill the square area. Now, click Add Photo and select your Roblox screenshot. Good. Now click Crop. Crop your Roblox avatar and your Roblox OC only. OC means avatar. Click Apply, then click Cutout. Click Outline. Once you have clicked Cutout, outline your Roblox avatar. It doesn't need to be perfect since this app will auto-perfect it for you anyways. Haha. Yay. Okay, so mine is all cut out and ready. Pause the video if your GFX isn't. Now, click Preview, then Erase. Erase any bits that are not your avatar or that is a green screen. Click Save when you are done. Fit your avatar into the square area as you please. I always like to put mine to where my torso meets the base because it looks the best, but you don't have to do that. Okay, now I am going to try and fit it the best I can, just as I please. Now this is just right. I am in love. I will click Apply, then click Border and click Radius, so that I can see what it will look like on YouTube. Have a dumb toggle around. We're almost done. Click the rainbow box. That's where you get all your colors. Make sure the color is black. Do that for a free cookie. Now click Draw. Click the paintbrush symbol and make sure the thickness is thin and the opacity is 25% and below. Now start outlining your Roblox avatar, joints like elbows or knees, blah blah, so on. At this point, you really need to make sure your thickness is a small size and your opacity is 25% and below. Make it look realistic. Don't just make it look like a bunch of line joints. Make sure you still get accurate joint bends. Don't worry about little green screen parts. It's your YouTube icon, so it won't matter too much. Anyways, you can click the color palette and click the pen on it. That allows you to select the color of what you are editing. So imagine I had a light shade of brown hair and I needed that exact same brown shade to edit some parts of my hair that wasn't cut out properly. That's where the pen comes in. You click the pen and then tap of the color of whatever you editing. Then when you have got that color, just start drawing again. You can do this multiple times and it's easy. Plus, PicsArt has free tutorials, so don't worry. I also use this app for my thumbnails. Quick reminder, if this comes out badly or isn't as well as the picture I showed you, then that's because I'm doing this quickly just to show you guys how to. But in my opinion, I love how the finishing touch of this looks like. Hopefully you guys could get enough practice to be fantastic and make awesome GFX. Don't worry too much. We're all mobile users, so it won't be as good as a computer, Roblox Studio, or even Blender. But we can't keep comparing ourselves to other YouTubers. I've been doing that a lot recently, but it hurts, so don't do it. Go to Color Palette. Click the pen in the top right corner of the color palette box. Select a color you want to go over. How draw? I want to go over my hair with my Roblox skin tone, because the hair is annoying, especially since it's up in my face. Anyways guys, you don't have to do this part if you don't feel that you need to go over anything. I suggest doing it on your Roblox shoulders though. So now it is in fast mode. Keep watching to see what I'm doing. Trust me, this app is as easy and counting blocks or saying ABC. You just need to learn it. I don't like using IBS Paint X though. That is hard, not going to lie. Click Apply when you are done. It will say Save Draft. Then click Save Draft. Don't worry, this isn't the end of it, of course. Keep watching. Right guys, you can click Filters and make your GFX look as splendid, neat, amazing, and blah blah as you want. Okay guys, I hope we have both finished messing around with the filters. Ha 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 hee 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 hee. Open Photos and have a look at what you have done. Remember guys, to make it look more 3D, make the opacity higher. I did these both on mobile, aka my iPad. Don't compare yourselves to others. See, look. It looks so 3D, but all I did was outline the joints. This one was good, but my other was better. This is because I was rushing, and this is a mini I made for you guys. I should have made the opacity darker, but apart from that, it's awesome. Guys, guess what? I'm richer than you, and this server LMAO. I'm joking, LOL, I'm a full clown. Anyways, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications to never miss a video. Send me GFX on my business account. I'll rate them out of 10 and make a video about it. It is contact Bethany right now at gmail.com. Anyways, I love you guys. You're all awesome. I hope your GFX turned out great. If not, then never stop trying. I learned this myself, and it took long. Blender is hard, so this is all I can get. #mobile gang. I hope this video helped you. I will be making so many fun ideas and updating my channel regularly. Goodbye everybody. Good riddance. These annoying frogs.